Tandem Language Exchange tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Tandem Language Exchange. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Tandem, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Tandem, it is a language exchange app designed to connect people from around the world who want to practice and improve their language skills through real-time conversation. And users can find language partners based on their learning goals, interests, and native language, enabling mutual learning in a friendly and informal setting, in which the app support text, voice, and video chats, offering features like translation, correction tools, and topics prompts to facilitate smoother communication. So whether you're a beginner or advanced learner, Tandem provides an immersive way to enhance language fluency while also gaining cultural insights through authentic interactions. So now to proceed, all you need to do is simply go to your Google Play Store or App Store and simply search Tandem and click the install button. And once done, just click the open button right here, then you will be directed in this page where you can create an account or login. By clicking create account, you can create using your Google, Facebook, WeChat, Weibo, and even using your email address. And once start signing in, from here it will ask you a few questions including how did you hear about Tandem, and also to enter your name and also your birthday right here. So all you need to do is simply fill up the required information and click the continue button. Also, it will ask you about your gender and also to upload a photo right here, in which this will serve as your profile picture. Once done, just click the continue button once again below, then you will be directed in here. So just click the let's go button. And all you need to do is to wait for it to be fully loaded, since it will ask you first what is your native language. For example, I'm going to enter English and click continue. Follow up, you also need to select another native language that you are frequently or fluent in here. I'm going to choose Espanol. Now the other one is called which language do you want to practice. I'm going to choose, for example, here Korean instead. And you could also proceed adding a more language if you want to, or if you want to learn more any other language. For example, in here, I'm going to choose French and click the continue. You could also choose your language level of the language that you want to learn. Now once done, just click the button below. And after that, it will ask you a 3 questions, including what do you like to talk about. So I'm just going to enter here, for example, I want to learn the basics, conversations, type, and click the next button. The follow-up question is this: what is your ideal language exchange partner like? So from here, you can simply describe your language exchange partner in here that you're looking for. But I'm just looking, for example, native in Korean and also in French. But you could also make here or enter here a big words if you want to. Now once done, you could also fill out this last question: what are your language learning goals? So at this point, I'm just going to enter a random learning goals, for example, then proceed by clicking the done button below. Now once done, you could also enable the notification if you want to. And from here, it will show you that they will send you an invite, which might take the 7 days. But you could also skip the line and meet the people instantly by simply purchasing some of the plan that they offer in here. But you could also use the free trial if you want to use it in here, in which they offer a 7-day free trial. And now after purchasing some of the plan or trying the free trial, this is basically what you will see. It will show you all of the pro benefits that you will get or feature included. So just click the continue button and you can now proceed going to enter your location right away. So just click the continue. Then it will show you some of the community principles of Tandem. So you can simply scroll down and click the accept button. And once done, you could also enter here what would you like to talk about. You could also add a topic for the conversation that you want to get started. For instance, I'm going to enter here, I want to learn the language and also about the culture. And once done, you can now click the save button below to proceed. You could also enable the notification if you want to, and many more. Now at this point, as you can see, we're currently under the community section of Tandem, in which this community serves as a Tandem central hub to help language learners discover and connect with one another. So think of it as a social media style feed dedicated to language exchange, featuring profiles, interests, language goals, and active members tailored to your preferences. In which in here, after you click each person, it will show you some of their native language, and you could also click the message button to start messaging them, or you could also send a call or an audio messages, video, and even just simply follow them. Below it will show you other overview or info about this person, and also references if they have one. And now on the top panel, you could also see this nearby option. By clicking on it, it will show you some of the nearby user in here that using this application. You could also activate or enable your location to start knowing all of this nearby person. You could also start stalking them or simply following them by clicking on them. Moving on under the travel section, it will show you in here the map for the city or for the specific kind of location that you want, and it will show you the number of users in there. Now under all section from here, it will show you also some of your highlight in your profile or some of the recommendation based on your preferred languages that you want to learn. But you could also add more language in here, since for example I'm going to learn a Japanese. So all you need to do is simply click here this Japanese button, and you could also select your Japanese level and click the save button on the top right corner. Once done, it will show you in here. If you start refreshing this page, it will show you some of the Japanese person that is also native in such languages. So all of these are already recommended by this application based on the language that you want to learn. And from here, other members could also react, comment, and offer corrections, creating a supportive space for learning through collaboration. Now from here, under the chat section, it will show you all of the person that you've been interacted with, or you could also see some of them online at the moment. Moving on to the social section, in Tandem, it serves as a space where users can share posts, updates, questions, or thoughts related to language learning, culture, or personal interests. So if you want to start posting, you can click the plus button. You could also allow Tandem to record an audio if you want to. And from here, to create a party, just simply enter here the title, the description, and also add a languages that you want to prefer or you want to learn. So basically, this section encourages broader engagement, helping users discover new language partners, join in global conversations, and stay motivated through shared experiences. You could also see here these language clubs with the corresponding clubs and the number of users below it will show you. By clicking on it, it will show you the overview about those clubs and also the main purpose of creating the club in here. To create your own, by clicking the plus button, all you need to do is simply enter here first the name of your club, the description about your club, or tell everyone about your club, select your preferred languages, and even choose your own location. And once done, you can also just or simply enter here a language club. Moving on under the Pro section, it will show you all of your benefits also that you can navigate or start customizing in here. Moving on to our community section, by clicking on the top right, it will show you your own certificates in here and your profile section, including your Tandem certificate that you might earn in here, in which it serves as your proficiency certificates based on common European framework of reference for languages. So overall from here, the importance of this Tandem lies in its ability to make language learning more interactive, personalized, and culturally immersive. Unlike the traditional methods that focuses heavily on grammar and memorization, Tandem connects users with native speakers for real conversations, helping improve fluency, pronunciation, and confidence in real-world use. But overall, that is just basically how you can use Tandem Language Exchange. Thank you.